Don't know how to choose a router for industrial site? Look at the 104 router. It supports multiple operators. It supports 2G, 3G, 4G, LTE, and 5G. It supports single or dual SIM card slots. It supports TCP or IP protocol stack. It provides a gigabit Ethernet port, RS-232 or RS-485 serial ports. It supports Baidu and GPS functions. It can work stably in harsh industrial and other functions, such as high temperature, high humidity, vibration, etc. It can keep running normally under these conditions. It supports dual or triple power input. It supports APN or VPN. It also includes various VPN access. It can be used in 20 industrial fields. It's professional and reliable.